everyone. Today I'm going to be making no-bake peanut butter chocolate Chex bars. What all goes into the no-bake peanut butter chocolate Chex bars? 6 cups Honey Nut Chex cereal, 1 cup light corn syrup, 1 cup sugar, 1 1/4 cups creamy peanut butter, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 bag 11.5 ounce milk chocolate chips. Mine's 23 ounces, so I won't be using the whole bag, and 2 tablespoons butter. So let's begin. Take a 13 by 9 pan and spray it with non-stick cooking spray. And set it aside. Take a large microwavable bowl. Take your 1 cup of corn syrup and your 1 cup of granulated sugar. Put that in the microwave. Heat that for 2 minutes to 2 minutes and 30 seconds, stirring after every 30 seconds. Alright, so the mixture did just start to boil. Stir in the 1/4 teaspoon of salt and the 1 cup of peanut butter. And mix until blended. Stir in the 6 cups of Honey Nut Chex and stir that until fully coated. Put the Chex mix into your prepared pan. Spread that out and make sure that it's even on top. It's not quite perfect, but it looks pretty good. Set that aside. Take another microwavable bowl. Dump in your 11.5 ounces of milk chocolate chips, the 2 tablespoons butter, and the 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Microwave this in the microwave for 1 minute and stir until smooth. Then spread this over the Chex mix. And of course it's not going to be real smooth because the Chex is kind of bumpy. Alright, so there we have it. Not the prettiest, but then we want to refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes or until the chocolate is set. So we'll just wait until Dave gets home tonight and then we will cut it into bars. So here is the no-bake peanut butter chocolate Chex bar. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Smells like peanut butter. Tastes like peanut butter.
It's no-bake peanut butter chocolate Chex bars.
That's pretty good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.